ya kurudia Mungu.
Na mara nyingine ni watu wana try kukuremind through that spirit of the things that you've been
Mungu asha
past.
Yes.
So trying to remind you the things that you did and all that.
Alikuwa anafanyaga,
akafanya. But the way our God works, he's never in the past, because if he was to judge us for what you did yesterday, not the day before yesterday. Ira too. You wouldn't be here.
It is very true, Neguo.
Yeah.
Edith!
Hey!
I'm here!
Welcome! Na wakinya huko mushie. Pewa mdaoni. Pewa mwexi. The last 2 years ago. Na alikuja kwanza mpaka amebeba nini backpack. Nikia alikuwa ametoka uni. Alikuwa na backpack, alikuwa amepita pale.
Ameniona pale akaniambia wewe umegrow, nikamwambia ni effort yangu.
Ni mambo ya God.
Because 3 years ago,
au
kwa hivi hata kwa videos someone can tell like this growth from videos, and
writing,
physically writing, singing, ministry, it's a journey and you've walked it.
Only change is constant.
Yes.
And so when we experience the changes of life, we do it beautifully.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good to have you
back.
Aren't I
beautiful?
You look amazing, my
darling.
Minji.
So Edith, kwa modwe mushie,
maybe
niyo nyimbo ciaku but hakujui. So angalia camera 3 ugeithia mwirora ri umwira wetagwo atia, like now officially introduce yourself.
Chitagwo Edith Wairimu. Na mbere ndaya ndi muhonoku na ngenda mwathani. Na ndi muini wa nyimbo cia kugosha na kugoshithia mwathani. And I'm so glad to be here.
Welcome.
Yes.
Na muhega sai.
Saire. Onywaga tusikotega na twasukari
ya kuhana.
Nyua turugi.
Unalalanga usiku.
Oyo iria ndena na hadha.
We
ako tu sawa.
Hakuna
maziwa. So Edith, your time, tungetaka pia watu wenye wanakujua. I think so many people know you. So I think we will take it as fast as possible. Tutikometwara back into nyimbo cia tene. Sahi kutoka uanze kuimba, maybe you can give us a short story of your journey. Kama YouTube uko na songs ngapi? How long has it been since then till now when nyimbo shikana huko?
Well, my journey began so beautifully in 2020, and I started by doing cover songs from different ministers, and cover songs si rahisi. Jaribu kufanya cover song ndio utaona vile kitakuumania, but my time had come. Mungu akafungua njia na zikajipa. And since then in the year 2020 mwisho Mungu akaanza kunipea nyimbo zangu. So ever since then I've been I released sijui niko na ngoma ngapi because kuna zile zenye nilikuwa nimefanya before then.
Unazijua lazima
tumetry kuzipush, unajua hizo miaka unasongesha na yendi. So ni time you
1000 views after 2 years.
Na zisongi, but hiyo time God akafungua njia, then akaanza kunipea ngoma zangu. Hizo zote zenye tumeimba hapa by God's grace Mungu akanisaidia nikaandika. So I don't even know how many songs
you have quite a number of songs, right? And your journey is different odo aina kanyimbo cia Githweri. So anaimba yani anaweza imba Kikuyu, unaweza imba Kiingereza, unaweza imba Kiswahili.
Na actually na kindu kiagare diction yake ri ya Githweri na Githungu. Kwanza todo most of the time ainia Gikuyu ri ma switch to Kiswahili. Ne uraigwa tune ne ya Gikuyu but words ne cia
Githweri.
So how do you do it?
Well, it's exposure to music, just the things that you listen to. You see all these things we have the best thing about music is that twina ndomathiete mbere itu tariu tukiingira Gikuyu ri we have wonderful fathers, Philip Kimani, you know those Ruth Wamoyo that we have listened to and learned from. Even in Swahili we have so many nice people doing Swahili. ogienda gucenjia the way you think, change what you listen to.
You have to keep trying different.
You have to keep trying
genres,
things. Yes. So it's not really, it's about the gifting, yes, but you have to nurture this gifting through the things that you expose your ears to. The more you listen to English songs, the more you know English songs.
This
go
is
like
true.
this. You know? So near before I do a Swahili song, my motivation was Rose Muhando. So
Yes.
you can even tell. When I did it, you could tell. The people said this one sounds like Rose Muhando. But before I did Nitasimama, I listened to a lot of Rose Muhando songs. Zilikuwa zinashinda kwa masikio. I listened to her and listened to her and listened to her until I said, so this is how Swahili is done. You see, that's how we learn. Then naneko etu imenyi.
Mjuaji.
Unajua Kiswahili unafikiria unaweza andika sasa.
Yes. So if you want to do a song by somebody, like if you want to do a song by me or by somebody else, just listen to that person. You will get it over time.
Yes.
Wow. Now, by the way, your breakthrough was doing the cover songs.
Yes.
Na ne Sunday, gigira TikTok hau, scroll, geshemania nawe, umewaka kuwaka. Guys, tigai ku-upload rwimbo rogima na wa TikTok. Kana
because
todorere.
You see, let me tell you. Because ilikuja. Bloggers are twisting what I said.
Yes.
If you've listened to my video,
okay, on my side, how on that camera, and we look very nice. Hi guys. Hi.
So basically, bloggers ne marasejia uria ndiraugire. Tondu ni uria ndiraugire ni number 1, dinaririo horo wa cover songs. Dinauga mundu ni ndauma mundu cover songs. I think ona nitasimama ne jeke cover song ya Kemeru na atia. I have never nyimad any person a cover. That's number 1. Number 2, dinauga automatica upload nyimbo TikTok. Na number 3, dinauga automatica upload rwimbo rugima. This is what I said. Agikorwo ni ku upload rwimbo rugima ri, upload yo ke dance.
Yes.
Kanogeka odo waku. You can even be playing a guitar or whatever. But upload something that you have done.
Yes.
No agikorwo ni ku upload video ria ni njikete ri, then digeria upload ka Kameme.
30 seconds kana 1 minute
or a minute wanyita. No agikorwo ni kwenda ku upload ruo there, upload yo gekodo, upload yo ke dance okiruga ogeka atia. You know that kind of thing. Just don't take the content the way it is
from the YouTube and
the content, you know, it costs a lot of money.
It does.
Na uria ndo makoretwo magekare sometimes when they are, and they mean well. Most of them mean well. Ugakora matiowe koguo rwimbo ru rwa upload wori maka download uria ruri mzima aka upload hado hage. So this is what happens with TikTok. Mundu erorera rwimbo ru rwa ndagika 4 hau ri ni guthie YouTube. Guthie YouTube. Second thing, TikTok is very downloadable. Koguo mundu ucio guthikiriria na download. Mundu ucio ni ha ukafaidikira finally. No anyita. So that is what I said. To address maundu ma legal redress. Andu aitu reke ndimwerethere what legal redress means. Eminete atiriri, a compensation because of a certain injury. Koigua ri ndrori andu atiriri na tikuga ndiraugire ni guthi goti ni ndrori atiriri, what if I choose to seek legal redress? What if I sought legal redress? Idethi ni aratwara andu igoti-ini, you know. So basically gucia ni githungu andu aitu magakorwo magietikira gutaurirwo uria gutagirire kana kuruga ndarama. Yes. No uria itaneka itanauga. So number 1, andu ni matige kwaria horo wa cover songs. To ni ndiraria horo wa cover songs na ndire dauma mundu cover. If somebody wants to stand on my shoulders to go higher than I have, then by all means. That is something that is possible. Dinaria horo wako post the whole song. You can post the whole song as long as you do what you want. Not something else. Dance.
Actually,
or do something.
Edith, I want to explain to you something on air.
Yes.
Na I want you to understand kwena kido kiretwo content ID. And which I want Edith. I will talk to you afterwards about guthodeka maundu ma content ID such that rwimbo rwathi mwena wa TikTok more than 60 seconds it is going to be muted. nitakusaidia hapo muini o the way hau kwina kindu gigwitwo content ID. Content ID helps. That's why kuna ngoma za maju ndugithie more than 2 minutes. Tondu already there is a content ID and that is something ainia ingi muno they still bado hawajajua. Na nitawaonyesha form all the artists. Nitawaonyesha form Edith kuanza na wewe nitakuonyesha venye tutafanya. Nigetha riri mtu hawezi upload more than 1 minute. Itakuwa muted automatically. So na how ne sawa itigo tuko chonjo
haure nane ndimwendete reke indimwe riu andu ri marathura mundu mendete no nani by the way thiini wa ngoro yakwa gutire there's no
you are a good person
akire handu ha riu ndiragikumera ngomenera kimwana itu koiguo ri nie ndimwendete ona kumana na maundu macio mothe maugite and all that but most of them are lies koiguo ri ni wega kumenya ma na uria mundu araugire
alafu pia I think knowledge is power guys ukisikia kitu imeandikwa kwa I notice bloggers mtu andika title haria mukaje comment. Can you just go back and listen to what someone said?
What was the original
clickbait?
Yes.
Nema clickbait.
Yes. Makoro meigite oguo nigetha andu ingi mathome na andu ingi magikatia.
Na
juko ciesama cigaruritwo cigatuo kaundu citari.
Edith says she will take all of you to the
court. How is that even possible?
Anyway, tutakatonea jio wakati but as we move on and you try the break you have a new song. Yes, you have an amazing song and it's a collab.
Yes.
How did you decide? Will you decide aje ku come together na Helen Muthoni mwike Rwimbo?
Helen and I have been friends for a long time.
Yes.
Since 2020. Tuturite twendete kwandika rwimbo hamwe no gutiri ruguka. Koiguo sometimes we've even gone spent sleepovers, prayed together, fasted together, rutiri ruguka. Koiguo after all these years na ihinda rikinya ni reke njuge uguo na ihinda rirakinya. Yes.
So
na twina rugero roka nake
another one
in a couple of months.
Yes.
So you see
tungoje
good
yes
utwire the title of the song and the meaning of the song alafu tukue tunaingia pale YouTube muisikize na uamue kwa TikTok ngoma isipite over 60 seconds tafadhali na usiende uupload ngoma ya mtu video mzima TikTok. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of expenses. At least toka appreciate I need to aitoni makahota kuruta more content for us ndio. So Rwimbo rwetagwo atia and what was the inspiration behind it?
The song is called Giterege kya Mugeni and the song is Giterege kya it's a big name.
Kinya pause.
Giterege kya
Mugeni. Yes.
Mugeni.
In Kizungu inaitwa the hunter's trap. That's simple, the hunter's trap. You meta ifuku ni ria thaburi igana ria 24 na irauga uhoro wa how Jesus saved us by breaking the hunter's trap and setting us free. Koguo rwimbo ruri kuri ni personal. Ni personal tondu rumanite na story ria ndirathire through 2023 na andu ni matige ku belittle maundu madu by the way. And I have to say this tondu muthi ni da learn of a certain minister na mundu ucio ri ni kunywa ranywa dawa cia sukari ni tondu wa ndeto ciake kwario na maheni no andu ni wega mamenye atiriri ni mbegu marahanda riria riothe watwarithiriria mundu ginya mwana wa mundu kana ithe wa mundu ambiriria kunywa dawa cia sukari ri cia pressure cia pressure ri ni tondu waku ri ni wahanda ki ni wahanda mbegu na mbegu iyo ri ndio wakimenya no igakura no kagetha. So now Giterege kya Mugeni it came from my story in 2023 maundu maritu ndagereire no ria Ngai ahonokirie. So the inspiration was something very personal. It came from a very personal journey. Yes.
So eka official introduction ya Rwimbo ruu na ugi haria andu mekuru kora haria YouTube alafu sasa tuende break.
Ukwenda nyine
weke introduction hata unaweza imba kidogo alafu sasa tuingie alafu tuingie break.
All right. Murata wako areke guheka rugano kauria mwathani Jesu ahonokirie kuri muthenya ndekorire hatikaine ndamukaira ndi weru-ini akinjigua we murithi mwega agitiga ng'ondu iria 99 kijetha agorire Giterege-ini kya Mugeni woi orire ndoka kuninwo agithara. Hallelujah.
We watu wanaimbanga.
Rwimbo rwetagwo Giterege kya Mugeni / the hunter's trap Psalms 124 na ni ukuruona on YouTube Edith Wairimu.
Twende kai.
We let's go.
Kameme TV.
Murata wako areka